Are you struggling to find the perfect AI content platform? You're not alone. Frase and Writesonic are popular choices, but which one truly fits your needs? Frase offers an all-in-one platform. It combines SEO research, AI writing, images, and customer engagement seamlessly. Meanwhile, Writesonic focuses on AI visibility tracking across multiple platforms. With Frase, you enjoy unlimited AI words, integrated image generation, and multilingual support. Unlike Writesonic, Frase's features aim for complete workflow efficiency. Ready to switch? Discover the ease of transitioning to Frase today. Start your free trial now and elevate your content game.